I think a lot of times we go on autopilot and we are pushing towards just being successful in school, getting good grades. That's sort of a common marker. But we have the potential to miss things that are also really important. And then I think if we ask ourselves, do I want my child to get good grades, or do I want my child to be happy? Do I want my child to be a kind person? Most of the time, parents are going to say they want them to be kind or happy. And so they might want to look at what are things I can do to cultivate those things. It isn't, though, we can give kids happiness, but we could give them skills like gratitude, like forgiveness, like relationship skills that might put them on that path towards happiness. And we can do that by being aware, by creating routines and rituals, by teaching explicitly, by talking about these skills, by practice, and by rewarding and reinforcing kids when they are showing even steps towards developing those skills. And of course, the other piece is that we need to be conscious of developing these skills as adults. Sometimes there are things that we ourselves are still working on. It's hard to believe, but everybody has those things that they're working on, and so we need to be conscious of those, developing those in ourselves in order to be able to teach them to our students or our children. Parents and teachers are, the most important role models. Probably throw in older siblings too for kids. And kids are learning. They're learning both by how the adults deal with situations in their own lives. They're also learning through how the adults deal with interactions with the children, what we pay attention to, what upsets us, what doesn't upset us, where we kind of focus in and where we tune out. Kids are learning indirectly through those things as much as through the explicit or objective things that parents do or teachers say.